exposing the secret ingredients to lasting family love. Let's dive into 10 timeless tips to unlock love with your family. 1. Listen without interrupting. Really hear your loved ones out, it's golden. 2. Speak without accusing. Gentle words can work wonders for open communication. 3. Give without sparing. Be generous and share freely. Love grows in giving. 4. Pray without ceasing. Constant prayer lifts your loved ones up. 5. Answer without arguing. Keep the peace with calm responses. 6. Share without pretending. Honesty strengthens bonds. 7. Enjoy without complaint. Savor the moments together, complaint-free. 8. Trust without wavering. Faith builds a solid foundation. 9. Forgive without punishing. Healing comes through forgiveness. 10. Promise without forgetting. Keep your promises. They're love's glue. Unlocking love starts with these simple actions. So go on, spread the love.